Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this Shrinky Dink pack. These things are so cool. My kids have made so many of these little things at school, and it's such a great way to just preserve that memory. I've had them do little handprints, got my daughter here drawing some little pictures, but it comes with all sorts of different ways to be able to keep them. So you've got these little alligator rings that you can stick on here, you've got keychain holders, and you've actually got the littler guys for little jump things, so you can put them on for like a necklace. But you just draw whatever critter you want to do, and if you want to keep it all like this, you can. You can easily cut it if you want it into a certain shape, and then you actually just put it in the oven or use a heat gun. It does say it right on this little picture right there for your temperature if you did forget. It's at 302 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. So we just cut this little guy out. I'm just gonna put him in the oven. I've got my oven preheated, and then we'll sit in there for 2 minutes, and then once we get him out, we'll check him out and be ready to go. But we're gonna watch him in there and shrinky dink. All right, let's pull him out. Look at the little guy. He got so small. Now you can use like something flat and pushing down a book, or I've got a spatula here, just if any of the edges do get curled up. But my giant 5x4 paper is now this little bitty thing that you can keep and have out as a nice little gift, have them around the house. But these are really fun. Like I said, use them at school or at home. Hours of entertainment, and can hold a lot of really special memories.